Hello, I'm Johnny. This is the British Explorer YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to all things travel. So what you'll see will be a collection of videos that I've done. So these will be to various places across the world. So this will include America, the Middle East, Asia and Europe. There will be a particular focus on Orlando. It is my favourite destination in the world, so be prepared. There will be a lot of those videos. So it's good if you're a fan of theme parks, water parks. Those videos will be perfect for you. Also, for any cruise fans out there as well, there will be a selection of ocean cruise videos. So these will be various videos of my cruises that I've done to the Caribbean, Canary Islands, Norwegian fjords and Iceland. In the meantime though, if you're looking for travel inspiration, or if you're just a general fan of travel and the particular locations I'll be posting about, feel free to hit that subscribe button and I will return the favour. I'll subscribe back to your channel as well if you have one. I just hope you enjoy the videos and all the content that I'll be producing in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments section below and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. Alright, hope you enjoyed the content guys. See you later.